Hello everyone, today we're here at AZ Auto Sales and I will be showing you how to change a flat tire. Now, the next step is to locate your spare tire. Most spare tires live in the trunk of your vehicle under this cover. You could also find your jack and other necessary tools to replace a flat tire. Now the next step is to loosen your lug nuts. If your vehicle is like ours and has a cap, then you just want to pull that out. Now you don't want to loosen them off all the way, but you just want to loosen them out enough to where you're not struggling when it's jacked up. So we're going to go ahead and loosen these up. That's good enough. Now the next step is to set up your jack. Now you want to make sure your car's being jacked from a good part of the frame or one of the jack points, like this one right here. To raise the jack, you will want to turn this clockwise. To lower it, you'll want to turn this counterclockwise. Now you could raise this with your hand until it reaches the car and you can't raise it anymore. Then you will want to use your tool. You stick it in here and you could jack up the car. Now we have the car jacked up. Now you don't want to jack it up too high, maybe only about 2 to 3 inches up the ground. The next step is to loosen the lug nuts completely. Now that you have all your lug nuts off, you could remove the tire and place it somewhere safe. Now you will want to put the spare tire on. To do that, you will align the lug nuts with the holes here and place it on. Just like that. The next step is to tighten the lug nuts with your hand. Tighten the lug nuts by hand, as we will tighten them completely once it's jacked all the way down.